Do you know about this type of channel? It's amazing how much it's grown nowadays. I know you might not be aware of it, so just take a moment to check this channel. It has uploaded just 137 videos and has already earned 306k subscribers and millions of views. I think it's an amazing journey and a truly inspiring success story of this channel. And don't worry, I will also give you proof that this channel is fully monetized. It's a 100% AI-generated channel, and yes, it is monetized successfully. You can also check the earnings of this channel. It's truly amazing, making thousands of dollars in just 1 month. Many people still don't know whether a fully AI-created channel can be monetized or not these days. That's why I'm telling you in this video how it works. I'll also explain the exact settings you need to do on YouTube in order to get monetized with this type of channel. So make sure to watch the video till the end, because there's a big surprise waiting for you at the end of the video. First, go into Canva, which is a very effective and important tool for creating high-quality videos. Start by clicking on the Canva Docs feature, then go into the Magic Write section. In this section, paste the prompt that I've already provided in the description. You can use this prompt to generate ideas for your video. I want to create an engaging and emotional Bible story video. Please help me develop a compelling video prompt for each scene, filled with powerful emotions, thrilling moments, and an unforgettable storyline. Each scene should be visually rich, dramatic, and capable of capturing the viewer's attention. The goal is to make the story come alive in a way that's both inspiring and cinematic. As you can see, Canva will generate an amazing, high-quality prompt based on that input. You don't need to rely on ChatGPT or any other paid AI tool because Canva's Magic Write already does a fantastic job at creative prompts. However, ChatGPT also generates incredible prompts, and in some cases, they might be even better or more refined. But sometimes, they may not work perfectly with Canva's visual AI. That's why I recommend using both Canva Magic Write and ChatGPT to get the best results. Choose the one that works best for your specific need. Once you've generated your prompt and copied it, I've already copied it for you, go back to Canva Dream Lab. This is where the real magic happens. Just paste the prompts one by one, and you can also choose the aspect ratio and style to match your video theme. Canva Dream Lab will then create stunning visuals that match your narration prompt. You can download the generated visuals directly from there. Note that Dream Lab is a new feature available in the Pro version of Canva. If you're looking for a free alternative, you can also try Picloom.ai. I think it also does a great job. It can generate amazing, high-quality, fully animated scenes based on your prompts. Plus, it allows you to use a seed number, which helps you maintain consistent character designs across different scenes. You can copy the seed number from the first AI-generated image. After that, go back into the prompt section, paste your next prompt, and make sure to adjust the size and aspect ratio according to the format of your video, whether it's for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, or any other platform. Once that's done, scroll to the seed section and paste the same seed number you copied earlier. This step is important because it helps generate consistent character appearances and style across all your images. It keeps everything visually connected, which is perfect for storytelling videos, especially if you want the same character to appear throughout different scenes. The best part is that this tool is completely free. All you have to do is log in with your Gmail account and you can start generating unlimited high-quality AI images daily without needing any credits or payment. This makes it a super helpful resource for content creators who want professional-looking visuals without spending money. Now that all your images are ready, it's time to move on to the next powerful step. Haliuo AI, an advanced video generation tool that's not only highly effective, but also one of the best platforms out there for creating visually stunning AI videos. Start by opening Haliuo AI. This tool is perfect for turning your AI-generated images and prompts into complete professional quality videos. Once you're inside the tool, just copy and drag your image into the workspace. It's super simple. just drag and drop. Then, paste the prompt that matches your image or scene. Haliuo will use this to generate a smart, visually appealing video scene that aligns with your narration and visuals. What makes Haliuo AI really stand out is its prompt-driven video generation. When you paste your prompt, it doesn't just animate your image. It brings it to life with motion, mood, and storytelling flow based on the words you provide. To get the best results, make sure your prompts are as detailed as possible. Include the emotions you want to show, the background atmosphere, what the characters are doing, lighting, camera angles, or anything else that fits your story. For example, if your scene is about Moses parting the Red Sea, your prompt could, once you paste this detailed prompt and attach the matching image, Haliuo will generate a scene that feels dynamic and cinematic, like something straight out of a movie. After the video scene is generated, you can preview, adjust timing, add transitions, and even import your voiceover or background music to enhance the storytelling experience. Now, it's time to generate the AI voice for your video. This is what will bring your story to life. Start by going back to the prompt section where you wrote the story prompt. Copy that prompt, then open ChatGPT, like right here, and paste it in. Ask, please provide me with a summary of this story in just a few lines. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a short, emotional, and well-written summary of your story. This summary is perfect for creating a voiceover because it's concise, powerful, and captures the essence of your video. Once you have the summary, the next step is to head over to the website Runway ML. From the homepage, go to the Generate Audio section. I personally use Runway ML for AI voice generation because it's not only super easy to use, but also comes with a free commercial license, which means you can use the audio in your YouTube videos and other content without worrying about copyright issues. Most paid AI voice tools do not offer free commercial rights, so Runway ML is a great option for creators. Once you're in the audio section, paste the summary that ChatGPT created. Then choose a voice that matches the tone of your video. For example, a calm and emotional voice for Bible stories, or a dramatic and strong voice for action scenes. You can now download the audio and use it directly in your video editor. The voice will sound natural and clear, and it will help your audience connect emotionally with your content. Now, let's move into CapCut. First, drag your audio and video into the project. Make sure you adjust your audio to fit the video. This is crucial because you want the audio to align perfectly with the visuals. Next, arrange your video clips in the correct sequence, ensuring they match the timing of the voiceover. If the video doesn't match the pace of the audio, you can adjust the video speed to sync perfectly with the voiceover. CapCut makes it easy to change the speed of your clips by simply selecting the video and adjusting the speed control to match the flow of your audio. Once your audio and video are synced, you can add transitions and effects. If you're using the Pro version of CapCut, you have access to amazing transitions that can enhance your video. These transitions are particularly useful for making animated scenes look smooth and polished. CapCut offers a variety of options, whether you need a simple fade or something more dynamic. Additionally, the Pro version allows you to use captions with beautiful and engaging styles. You can download over 100 caption styles to make your video stand out. Using captions not only helps to enhance storytelling, but also makes your video more engaging and accessible. With all these features, your video will become not just visually appealing, but also incredibly interesting and professional looking. Now, review your video and check if everything flows smoothly. Make sure the audio and video are synced perfectly, adjusting the speed if necessary. Add or adjust transitions to ensure smooth scene changes and apply any necessary effects. Check the audio levels, ensuring the voiceover is clear and balanced with the background music. Review the captions for timing and style, ensuring they match the voiceover. Don't forget to test the overall pacing of the video and make sure it maintains interest. Once everything looks good, your video is ready to export and share. Now it's time for the surprise. I'm going to show you how to upload your full AI video and get it ready for monetization. This is a crucial step. Start by going into your YouTube studio, then click on Upload and select the video you want to upload. Next, it's time to create an attractive, clickable title. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Please provide me with a trending title for this story. I want to upload it on YouTube." ChatGPT will give you a list of amazing trending titles. Choose the one that fits your video best and then copy the title. Next, ask ChatGPT for a description of your video. Copy and paste this description into the YouTube description section. This will help your video rank higher and be more discoverable. Now, choose a thumbnail that grabs attention and fits the theme of your video. Adjust any other settings that suit your preferences, like tags, video category, and privacy settings. The most important part, go to the Altered Content section. Select Yes if your video contains AI-generated content. This setting ensures that YouTube recognizes it as AI content and will allow you to monetize it without issues. This is a critical step for ensuring your AI-generated video is approved for monetization. Once everything is set up, click Publish. And don't forget to thank your viewers at the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.